What if I told you that in this video you're not going to get one gluten-free recipe, but you're going to get two healthy recipes. So today I'm going to show you first is how to make a gluten-free pita bread at home that is actually made with just oats and water. And then I'm even going to be sharing with you a high protein dip recipe that can be paired perfectly with your pita bread. Hey guys, so welcome back to my channel and I hope you guys are doing really good. So the part 2 of my healthy pita bread series, I'm going to be teaching you how you can make 3 ingredient oats pita bread. So if your kids love oats, if you love oats, you have to try this recipe. It is gluten free, it is super easy to make, and the best part is you only need water and salt to make this pita bread. Let's go make the oats pita bread. So first let's start making the gluten-free pita bread. All you need is some oats. You can use roll oats, you can use regular oats, that is fine. You can even use masala oats, that is also okay. So then you add water to it, you add a little bit of salt, and then you mix it really well. You can even add flavors to it, that is also fine. Then we're going to put it in a blender and we're going to blend it really well till it becomes a nice smooth batter. So after that we are going to blend it really well, and then it's going to be like a dosa batter for you. So that's how it's going to look. Or even if you make a chilli at home, how the batter is, that's how it's going to be. So after you blend this really well and you get a nice smooth paste, so in a pan we are going to pour this batter. So make sure that your pan is really warm, and then we are going to add this batter to it, and then after that we are going to cook it from one side. Make sure like around 5 minutes you need to cook it, and then you're going to flip it up and then bake it the other way. So you need to make sure that your pan is not too warm, it should not be burning. Now one important tip to know that your pita bread is being made really well, it should rise, it should fluff. If it does not fluff, that means you are not going to get the perfect pita pocket. So keep that in mind. So this is kids friendly also. So if your kid has gluten issue, you have to give them this. You can put toppings of your choice, that is also fine. But you can see how beautiful this pita bread looks. You can't even differentiate if it's a atta or a maida pita bread or it's an oats one. Now we are going to make a high protein dip. This one tastes amazing. So all you need is some paneer. Then after that I have added a ginger and garlic paste. You can add any paste of your choice. A little bit of dhania, a little bit of salt. We're going to add, you can add any flavoring. I added a chilli also just to give that extra taste. A little bit of lemon juice. You can even add vinegar. So now we are going to blend this really well, and trust me, this tastes so good that I use it with my nachos and my dips. So if you're looking for a healthy protein dip recipe, you have to try this one. So now we are going to cut it and we're going to add fillings of your choice. So don't forget to try this recipe and let me know if you liked it. Also don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'll see you soon in the next recipe.